Hi, this is Sneha Haldar, student of Maharshi College of Natural Law and a youth volunteer of Indian Red Cross. So as we all know that India is going to celebrate 75 years of independence this year. So our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, in his Mann Ki Baat said that the celebration of 75 years of independence will be the celebration of the spirit of freedom struggle and reflection of the feeling of sacrifice. To contribute in this 75 year of independence, the NACO, that is National AIDS Control Organization, has decided and launched and various awareness campaign in different cities. Not only the NACO but also the Indian Red Cross as well as the Red Ribbon Club has created many awareness campaign in different schools and colleges. So let us discuss about what is HIV/AIDS. HIV/AIDS is nowadays a very important health issue. HIV is a human immunodeficiency syndrome which causes AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Now, the HIV/AIDS destroy our white blood cell that is present in our body and prevents its formation. The white blood cell fight against the disease and provide us immunity. But because of an AIDS, the natural immune system of our body reduces and our body becomes prone to many diseases. The AIDS transmitted from one person to another through sexual contact by using the contaminated needles as well as the contaminated blood and blood product. So to prevent this disease from a ground level, it is very important to aware our society and countrymen regarding the safe sex, as well as to tell them about and to make them sure that the use of safe and hygienic blood and blood product. Also, to prevent this, it is also a major point to aware our society, and by making some precautions that we should avoid the sexual contact with a multiple partner, and it was also important to use of condom to prevent the STDs, that is sexually transmitted disease. It is not only the responsibility of a government but also an important issue for youth, because youth is the future of our country. So it is also the responsibility of our youth to aware our society regarding all this topic about the HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis, and promote the blood donation. At last, I would like to say that think safe, be safe, and thank you.